This is a Layens homemade do-it-yourself beehive. Built it for my wife about a year ago, a little over a year ago. For It's a Christmas gift. I made a horizontal hive as well. This is a Layens horizontal, and the other one I made was a Langstroth horizontal. It's pretty heavy duty. It's made of tulip poplar on the ends, and I had some cedar uh, from the house building project from when we moved here, and I milled it and made it into the long sides of this hive, as you can see on the other side. In order to save some money, I also used a house wrap on top, which is the DuPont material, and I think it's what do they call that stuff? Tyvek. That's what it is. And it's been sitting out actually for many months, and it actually holds up really well because it's got sun inhibitors in there or UV inhibitors. And I just staple it around, and it's lightweight. I used some old particle board that was in good shape, and I also made the frames for this by myself. You could buy them, but I chose to make them. Would I make them again? I actually don't know. I think it might be easier just to buy the kits and to assemble them than it is to make them from scratch. It's pretty labor intensive. The one big problem with these hives is the fact that the frames are a different size than the Langstroth, so it makes it incompatible with the primary beehives that we have. So, looking for ideas about how this might be incorporated into a beekeeping scenario when it's the only Layens hive that we have. One suggestion might be just to, instead of taking honey from this, just let the bees, populate it with a colony of bees and then let them do their bee thing out in nature there and have very little intervention, which is the philosophy behind the Layens anyway. But what do other people think? Any ideas?